Welcome back to Discover Ghana. Last time, we celebrated the magnificent Akwasidai Festival in Kumasi. Today, the Golden Crossing is leading us to Greater Accra, where the Ga people celebrate one of Ghana's most joyful and meaningful festivals. Welcome to the Homowo Festival. Homowo means hooting at hunger. The festival remembers a time when the Ga people overcame hardship through perseverance, unity, and a successful harvest. Today, it is celebrated with gratitude, family gatherings, and tradition. Families gather to celebrate together. Traditional drumming, dancing, and colorful clothing fill the streets with joy. The festival reminds everyone of the strength that comes from unity. One of the most important traditions during Homowo is sharing kpokpoi, a symbol of peace and unity that brings our community together. To laugh, to share, kpokpoi, a special meal prepared for the celebration. It symbolizes gratitude, unity, and the blessings of a successful harvest. The Golden Crossing is revealing another chapter. Long ago, the Ga people faced a difficult period of famine. After perseverance and renewed harvests, they created Homowo as a celebration of hope, resilience, and thanksgiving. Its message continues to inspire generations. Today. Today, Homowo remains one of Ghana's most cherished festivals. It brings families together, strengthens community bonds, and proudly celebrates Ga heritage. Homowo reminds us that even after difficult times, hope can grow. Through unity, gratitude, and tradition, communities continue to build a brighter future. Thank you for joining me on another Discover Ghana adventure. Today, we celebrated the resilience, joy, and traditions of the Homowo Festival. Next time, we'll travel to the Volta region for another incredible cultural celebration, the Hogbetsotso Festival. I'm Ama. Until our next adventure, keep discovering.